as a stick.
Yeah, I don't know if Mum's car would have like this.
Nah, not this part.
I can see how this would be considered a bit of an M track though.
Maybe going up, maybe down, not too bad. Like you could camp here. Really
Is this
want.
only a one-way road, or do people go up this?
No, they go up it.
Oh, yeah.
We're currently on Denham Track.
Going down a lot, so you only see it
It looks like beach territory, you know? Something you'd see at Fraser. The rear wheels, I can feel it like the slides.
Very slippery.
Yeah, it is very, but I don't know if that's because the TrueTrac's locking the rear wheel, so it's turning like that and making the car and us slide out.
I'm always dubious about little puddles like that. You're just going to drive into it, your wheels is going to spin. This is some weird, this is some nice articulation stuff, isn't it?
Yeah, but nothing. The CrossTrac's not even kicking in though. That means the wheels are contacting and turning.
Yeah, but to be honest, you don't really want to go to heavy articulation places with three wheels off the ground on your own.
Let's go.
Oh, that would have been a perfect spot. Next time we get some water, I need you to go slow.
So you can record it?
Yeah, but I want to get this camera out next to the front wheel.
Yeah.
So I said go slow because that last thing was water to splash up all over the camera. What is that?
That's what I'm wondering.
Something definitely sounds like it's loose. Oh, I know what it is.
What is it?
The timber moving.
Is that all?
Yeah.
Okay, this is definitely not E territory. This is, you need. What? Hang on.
Which way are we going? We're going the best
I don't know if I go that way.
No, that way would be alright.
Pretty serious fucking runs.
It's pretty steep.
We're high
I
enough
feel
to.
like this is the easy way.
Yeah, this is the easy way. Yeah, what's the hard?
Well, we can always go down, so go back.
Oh, that tree branch up there.
Nah, TrueTrac, watch.
There you go, this will test it. Oh, get more about that bit there.
No, watch. I reckon there's a TrueTrac in. TrueTrac's working.
So it's a CrossTrac.
Ooh. Yep, now we go back. But you see how it just drives better?
Yeah.
Twirl the wheels. I reckon if we bought it.
Can I record up there?
Huh? You want to record?
Yeah, like up there, and then I record you coming up or something.
I can give you the mirrorless. Okay, I'm going to put one Maxtrax here because I actually think it's where one of our problems are going to be.
Well,
Send him a photo. Oh look, see, they've even filled this. All right, Caleb.
Mum's not here. We went for a drive about 40 minutes from where she's camping because we just had to test out the car and stuff for Easter next weekend. So we're on And I can't even exit this phone call for some reason. There we go. I don't know. We just boarded up a track to take a run on it and see how it goes. So hang on. I'm just going. All right, hang on. You there, Trevi?
Yeah, mate.
Sorry. Oh no, the photo will come for a second. Yeah, send it up. Oh, we're up. Holy shit. Holy shit.
What?
Dude, this track, you should have just seen it. Like, you would need, if you were to try and articulate this normally, you'd need like 30s to not touch the sides.
I have 32s on my highlight, so it wouldn't be an issue.
We don't. Well, probably 32s actually. You probably need, I don't know, I reckon you'd even bottom out in the Hilux, dude, to be honest.
Yeah, the TrueTrac is driving in the left, it's got no traction.
Well, to put it in perspective, Trev, if I stand on this ditch here, it comes up to nearly my kneecap.
Just don't fall into the group.
Huh?
Just don't fall in the group.
There is no, this track's that tight, the only way to drive is the groove.
Yeah.
We just drove up the wall a little bit. Nice. Here's where your chassis was sitting, by the way.
Yeah, I had to make sure I had one rear wheel. So
I'll rip that clip out later, Trevi, and I'll send it to you once we get home. I'll rip it off the GoPro so you can see. Which will be in the morning.
What?
So.
I'll talk to you later about something. I don't know.
What's up? What's up?
Huh? Oh, nothing. I was just ringing to see if we could come visit because we're in Cranberry. But
Oh, okay.
that the other week, and they put lights on the front of it, the basket on top, like roof racks,
Yeah.
and a light bar.
So you're